Hey guys, welcome to WLinks Technologies guys. As you see on my desk, I've got you a bunch of different varieties of different products, different qualities, different stuff, and I will be showing you all these one by one. We got all of them in our stock, and if anyone is interested, you can join our Facebook group and WhatsApp group for daily stock updates. We got very hot selling products such as Bluetooth earbuds and power banks and a lot of other stuff. So the stuff you see on my table is all latest gadgets and fast charging power banks, PD chargers, and USB chargers and some gaming mouse as well. So if you are interested guys, I would appreciate if you can just stay and you can ask questions for any product you like guys. You can see on my left and right there are so many products we got in stock, including cables, chargers, power banks, Bluetooth headsets, gaming mouse, and much more. So first of all, let's get started with the transparent super fast charging power bank. This is a very compact, portable, and the best part is it supports Huawei super fast charging. It has a 22.5 watt of USB super fast charging for Huawei, and it has a 20 watt Type C fast charging for your iPhones and iPads. So this is the transparent design, very beautiful stuff guys, and inside has dry batteries which works for a very long time, and as long as you don't break it, you don't lose it, it will be keep working. And these kind of dry batteries, the more you use, the longer it gives you lifetime. And it's very portable and very handy. This is the packaging guys. If you are watching our live streaming, I would be very happy and I would appreciate if you can just share this live streaming with your friends, and especially those friends who are dealing with mobile phone accessories and computer parts as well guys. So you can see on that we got keyboards, gaming keyboards, we got mouse pad, we got headset, and much more. But for now I will just go on with the stuff that we got in our warehouse, and it's right now it's available in stock. So in case you are interested in any one of them, just take a screenshot and you can contact us via our WeChat or WhatsApp. The number is given below in the pinned comments. So if you're interested guys, you can join our Facebook group and our WhatsApp group. So this is a transparent design guys. It's a very beautiful power bank. It gives you fast charging. It's portable, 10,000 milliampere or 10,000 mAh guys. Great stuff, wonderful product guys. It's high quality, it's very nice stuff. It is now wrapped in the plastic. Let me show it to you for safety. And this is transparent plastic cover, strong plastic guys. So there is one more plastic for protection, and this is the packaging. We got 114 pieces per box, 114 pieces per carton guys. So this power bank is also in the stock. (10,000 mAh super fast charging power bank, very handy, very portable, yet very high quality, and mind-blowing price guys. You will love its price. If you know the price, you will be definitely surprised. Alright guys, so this is one of the power banks. I'm gonna show you our second power bank as well. So this is also branded one, and the second one I'm gonna show you is this beautiful packaging, guys. It is a UK branded power bank Telur. You can search it in Google and you will find it as well. So it is right now selling on Google as well, on Walmart and on other different platforms. It has its own website as well. So it is UK branded power bank, guys. Beautiful stuff, very nice packaging, and very beautiful stuff. So this is the power bank. It has got a little wear and tear because it's on the table, showing is a sample. It's brand new. It has got two USB outputs and one Type-C output, and it has got two inputs. It has got a Type-C input and it has got a Android and input as well. So it's multi-purpose, multifunction, guys, and it's 10,000 milliampere polymer battery, 100% full original real battery, guys. It's polymer battery, and this is a branded UK branded British power bank, guys, and it has a very beautiful packaging, guys. You can see on the packaging it is PD 20 watt, yet it is same as the small one, 22.5 watt. Its USB is 22.5 watts, super fast charging for Huawei. Here it mentioned as well, Huawei Supercharge, and 20 watt. The PD port. This PD port supports 20 watt fast charge for your iPhones, for your Samsung, and for your other phones as well. So it is a universal fast charging power bank, and the best part is it is two-way fast charging. Its output is fast charging and its input is fast charging via Type-C. So whenever a power bank is two-way fast charging means its Type-C port input is fast charging and output is fast charging. So this is a UK branded power bank, and I've just showed you the packaging, guys. It has got a very beautiful packaging, and we got only 350 pieces left, guys. Not big quantity left, so just a small quantity left. If you're interested, guys, you can reach us via our WeChat and WhatsApp. Very good price. Okay, guys, so this one is our second power bank in the stock, and now I'm going to show you our third one. So this one is it has got same features, same specifications. It's also two-way fast charging universal. It has got same three outputs, two USB, one PD, and I just want to remind you guys, its PD is two-way PD fast charging, input fast charging as well as output is fast charging, guys. So this one is also very beautiful, and the best part is it's 20,000. It's two times of bigger than the other two ones I've showed you earlier. So this one is 20,000 mAh, and it supports Huawei super fast charging and other phones universally fast charging, guys. So it is universal fast charger power bank, and this is the packaging. Sorry, this one we got about 2,000 pieces in stock, and the price is mind-blowing, guys. You come and ask price and we will tell you, we'll give you great price if you're coming through live streaming. Okay, so you send me this screenshot, send me the screenshot, and I will give you amazing price, guys. So this is the packaging, beautiful color box, beautiful color gift box. So you can buy it for your retail store. You can, if you are a wholesaler, also it has got a very beautiful packaging and a charging lead inside. And this is the power bank. It has got a digital display showing you how much power left in your power bank, and when you are charging, it will show you how much % power is charged. So this one is also in stock. We have supplied to multiple countries, guys. The power bank quality is very stable, and it has got two batteries, two 10,000 milliampere batteries inside, and the price is amazing, guys. So right now, these three power banks, and I'm going to show you one more branded power bank, guys. The fourth one, and that one will surprise you. This is Joway, very famous brand power bank, guys. It's famous for making power banks. It's a very big brand, very famous Chinese brand making power banks, guys. You can Google it, Joway power bank, and it has got same functions as the other power banks. But the best part about this power bank is it has got extra cables on the back side, so you don't have to carry any extra charging leads with you, because it has built-in cables with it. And it's got a very beautiful retail packaging. You can see it's a very good option for wholesalers and especially for retailers. You see it has got a very beautiful packaging for your shop, and the features are almost same as the other two power banks I've showed you. We always try to provide the latest features and specifications for our customers, which has a PD dual two-way fast charging, input fast charging and output fast charging, as well as the USB fast charging, guys. So this one is 10,000 milliampere, and we got about 1,700 pieces. Very good price, brand new and fresh production, guys. There is no problem in the quality guaranteed, guys, and it's a branded power bank. So today's live session, the first live session was about 4 power banks, guys. One, this is the packaging. Thank you very much for your likes. Thanks for your likes, guys. So this is the first power bank I've showed you, and this is the second one, which is UK branded power bank, and that one is the third one, and this one is the fourth one. So right now we got you 4 options. You can choose any one of them, and you can just pick a small quantity for any of them. The stock is right here in our warehouse. You can order it anytime, but you better be hurry up, because it's very limited quantity and it's going to finish very soon. 4 types of power banks, guys. The transparent one, the UK branded one, and the 20,000 mAh and the Joway one, guys. 4 options. 3 of them are 10,000. One of them is UK branded and Joway branded, transparent one, portable one, and the last one is a 20,000 mAh. So we got 4 options in power banks. If you're interested, guys, don't hesitate. Just drop us a message, and for some of the countries we can also provide door-to-door shipping services as well. So stay tuned with WLinks Technologies, guys. You can Google C&W Links. Google C&W Links, and you will get more information about us. You can visit our website, cnwlinks.com. You can join our Facebook group. You can join our WhatsApp groups, and you can sign up for price list. We get great products coming and going out on a daily basis, guys. So stay tuned. No matter you're from Asia, you're from Europe, you're from Africa, you're from India, you're from Pakistan, you're from Bangladesh, you're from Dubai, you're from Nigeria, Ghana, guys, you're just welcome to WLinks. We got customers across the world, and we can also give you door-to-door shipping services for free. So guys, for now, keep in mind, guys, 4 power banks. Any one of you interested, take a screenshot and let me know, guys. Thank you for watching and sharing our live streaming. See you soon. Goodbye for now.